Struggling to save? Start small. These 3 simple changes can add up to $1,000 very quickly. Hi, I'm Imani, the Healthy Finance Coach, and my goal is to help you find financial freedom through education, discipline, and balance. Let's jump right in because I don't want to waste your time. I know you want to get started saving right now. The first simple change that I recommend everyone do, including you, is set up an automated savings. What does that look like? Get a savings account outside of your normal bank. So if you're banking with Bank of America, Chase, or any of the other banks, don't use that one. Get a separate one outside of the bank and set up some of your pay, which you can do with your HR department, say 10%, 5%, to go automatically there. You'll never see it. You'll forget about it, and over time it will grow. Simple. Set it, forget it. The next one, and when I tell you this has saved me a lot of money each month, and a lot of people don't even realize it because they signed up for it, probably don't even use it, not checking your bank account the way you should, and guess what? It's adding up each month. As a matter of fact, I just recently did this because I realized I wasn't really using the service because the show that I was watching was canceled. And that is to cut out unused subscriptions. Most subscriptions are $9.99 or more a month. You may probably can find some lower, but I guarantee you're probably not using them the way you thought you would. And so why are you spending money on subscriptions that you're not using? Let's do the math real quick. You have a $9.99 subscription that you never use or barely use. $9.99 is adding up to almost $120 a year. That's just one subscription. So imagine if you were to take that subscription and remove it from your budget, how much additional money you could be using to save and place in a savings account. That savings can go a long way over time, and it definitely will increase. And if you save smart and invest with that money, you're talking compounding interest now. So think about canceling those unused subscriptions because let's face it, that's money going down the drain. Now, this last one can benefit you in a couple of ways. You can actually get healthier and save money. This is meal prepping. Now, I know that sometimes people don't want to do the leftover thing, but just think about it. If you meal prep and you buy some chicken or hamburger meat and you make spaghetti or something, that you enjoy, and you meal prep for at least 3 days, the amount of money that you would save on eating out. I want you to sit there for one quick second and think about all the money that you spend on eating out weekly. And if you want to get even messier, think about all the money you spend daily eating out. Just imagine if you were just to meal prep one meal, your lunch or your dinner. We're not saying all meals, but just one meal, how much money you would save by not eating out. Think about that. That adds up. I'd say if you're a family of 4, that can add up a lot. But if you're just one person, it can still make a difference with your savings. And you can reach that $1,000 savings very quickly. Those are the things that'll help you save $1,000 fast. Let's recap. Number 1, automate your savings outside of a bank account that you are currently using. Remember, set and forget. Number 2, cancel those unused subscriptions. You're not using them. It's money going down the drain. You'll never see that money again. Stop it. And number 3, start meal prepping and saving money eating out. That's probably going to save you the most, and you'll see it probably the fastest over the next 30-day period. So if you want more information like this and you'd like to get your finances in order and you want to join a community of supportive individuals, join my Money Reset Hub community. The link is in the description below and in the comment section. And let me know in the comments what it is that you're going to do, which one of those you're going to tackle first to start saving up for that $1,000 fast. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.